guys, Farah here, and you're watching Filipino VA Guides VA Tip of the Day. And today's VA tip is... Hey guys, medyo playful ako today, no? Kita mo naman, no? Para akong girl aloots, di ba? So anyway, on this particular VA tip is that I actually have 4 suggestions that you can make out of one blog post. Now, this is particularly useful kung ikaw ay isang virtual assistant sa isang client na gumagawa ng content either on their website or on their social media sites. Now, one of my suggestions is that if you are going to expand the content of your one blog post ng client mo, you can actually create it into a SlideShare presentation. Now, what is a SlideShare presentation? Well, una, SlideShare is an online tool where you upload PowerPoint presentations about a specific topic to your specific target market. So, in a way, para na rin siyang link building SEO type, kind of thing. So, this is very useful, especially if kailangan ng diverse content ang client mo in terms of their one blog post, okay? Now, the second suggestion is that you can actually create it into a very short infographic. Now, if you've never heard what an infographic before is, it's basically really cutesy looking charts and images and icons that represents the overall view of that particular topic that you're trying to share, no? So, but as much as possible, infographics are very graphic, meaning to say na image lang siya, image and a few text, parang ganon. Hindi siya yung parang paragraph, hindi siya brochure, a simplified brochure and a more interesting type of brochure. Yun yung infographic. The third suggestion that I will recommend you on how to convert a specific blog post into other types of content is that you can actually grab a portion or a sentence or a phrase about that particular blog and make it into an image quote. Now, I'm sure nakakita na kayo ng mga images quotes on your Facebook feed. You can do the same sa blog post ng client nyo. Now, the fourth option is a little bit advanced, but if you are into the creative side and you have the skills to do animation or to make it move a bit and hindi lang siya still images, then you can definitely create a video out of one blog post. So you can either use video sites like Vimeo or Animoto, or kung medyo advanced ka, you can also use Camtasia or Adobe After Effects. So ito yung mga things that you can actually create out of one blog post. So just to recap, you can actually create a SlideShare presentation, you can do an infographic, you can do an image quote, or you can create a video out of one blog post. So I hope you like watching the VA tip of the day. And if you like watching our videos a lot, please do subscribe in our YouTube channel or join us in our Facebook group, only here at Filipino VA Guide.